Hey there, fellow salon and spa owners. You're probably juggling a million things right now. Appointments, client communication, inventory, and let's not forget getting paid. We all know that smooth cash flow is the lifeblood of any successful business. So, today's burning question is, how often does Vagaro actually pay out? Now, Vagaro is a fantastic platform for scheduling, marketing, and managing your business. But when it comes to getting paid, we need clarity. Delayed payments can seriously impact your ability to cover expenses, pay your team, and keep your business running smoothly. Key factors influencing payout frequency. So, let's dive into the factors that determine how quickly you'll see those hard-earned dollars hit your bank account. Your chosen payment processor. Vagaro integrates with several popular processors like Stripe and Square. Each processor has its own payout schedule. Stripe, generally known for its fast payouts, often within 1 to 2 business days. Square, payout schedules can vary depending on your account type and processing volume. Your chosen payout method. Direct deposit, usually the fastest option, allowing funds to reach your bank account quickly. Other methods. Some processors may offer alternative options like debit cards or paper checks, but these typically take longer. Processing volume. Higher transaction volumes might sometimes result in slightly longer processing times. Weekend and holiday processing. Payouts may be delayed during weekends and holidays. Finding the exact payout schedule. Now, here's the key. The most accurate information will always come directly from Vagaro and your chosen payment processor. Check your Vagaro account. Look for information within your Vagaro account settings or help section. They should provide specific details about payout schedules for different payment processors. Contact Vagaro support. If you can't find the information you need, reach out to Vagaro support directly. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific account and setup. Review your payment processor's terms. Visit your payment processor's website or contact their support to understand their specific payout policies and timelines. Tips for optimizing payouts. Here are a few tips to help you streamline your payouts and ensure you get paid on time. Choose a payment processor with a fast payout schedule. If speed is crucial for your business, opt for a processor like Stripe, known for its quick payouts. Set up direct deposit. This is generally the fastest and most efficient way to receive your funds. Monitor your transactions. Regularly review your transaction history to ensure all payments are processed correctly and on time. Resolve any issues promptly. If you encounter any problems with payments, contact Vagaro support or your payment processor immediately to resolve them quickly. Important note, payout schedules can change, so it's essential to stay updated on the latest information from Vagaro and your payment processor. Getting paid on time is crucial for the success of your business. By understanding the factors that influence Vagaro's payout schedule and taking the steps to optimize the process, you can ensure a smooth and consistent cash flow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.